Now, I'm hearing so much in the news and in the world of in-law apartments, ADUs.
Yeah.
What is happening in that world?
Oh, that's one of my favorite subjects.
Let's hear it.
So ADUs, I think it's about time that we brought them back because so many towns had put so many regulations and restrictions on them that now being as by right in the state of Massachusetts, it has opened up a lot of doors. We've done some great projects from Alluring Concepts where we've done some basement apartments, some freestanding, done some above garages lately. We've helped people figure a way to make it work so they can have their loved ones with them or a second income so they can stay in their home. So I've seen both sides of the coin. They're not as cheap as people want them to be, unfortunately, because our building costs are so expensive in Massachusetts. But it is a great way for people to be able to afford to stay in their home or get that college kid to be able to stay when to not have to move out of state after they graduate, or for the empty nesters to be able to have a second income as well.